Everyone, we're back with our daily update on trading tokenized stocks on the exchange FTX. Looking at all these stocks currently on the page, yesterday we made an announcement. We're running a poll for more or less 24 hours. And the stock that gets voted the most will add to our portfolio as we keep on expanding and adding to our tokenized stock trading. The benefits of trading tokenized stocks: it's 24/7. The market are not closing. Going through the list, there's quite a few that you could have chosen from. Which one did you choose? Or did you miss out of playing along? The link for FTX will be down in the description. Make sure to sign up and have a look. They have multiple opportunities, not just trading tokenized stocks or crypto. But first, let's get to our current stocks we're trading and update them and make sure everything is still in place. The first one we're looking at is Tesla Doge. We've been trading this since the beginning and it's been working brilliantly. Looking at this chart, our next sell take profit is at 10,891 Tesla Doge. Looking at our trading view where we do all our updates, we can see we've hit take profit. So all we're gonna do, we're gonna readjust our next buy limit entry. So this red line is gonna become our current price entry or latest entry. And this is gonna become our next or previous buy limit order. I'm going to put my alerts in place for Tesla Doge as well. So our take profit alert is moving to 10,891 and our buy limit alert is moving to 10,046. Our buy limit alert is in place, so we can just move back, cancel our current buy limit for Tesla Doge and add our new one, which is going to be at 10,046 Doge for 0.03 Tesla. All our trades is 0.03 Tesla. Our buy limit order is in place. Our sell take profits is in place. Tesla Doge ready to go. The second one we've been trading is Google. Looking at Google, looking at my Excel sheet, we've taken profit also. As you can see, the red arrow pointing down means that's take profit that's been taken. Let's get to the chart and see what's Google. Yes, indeed, Google made a pretty decent spike, giving us some profits. So let's readjust our lines. So we know we're updated and things are in place. So our latest entry is going to be at 22.83.90 and our next buy limit order is going to be at 21.88. Just going to update my chart on my Excel sheet. We're going to put in our alerts. Make sure they're in place. The benefit of putting in alerts, it makes it easy when you have multiple things you're trading to have a look and see which one triggered and at which one you have to look to make updates. So on our trading view chart, Google's updated. On our FTX, where we're actually trading it, we're going to cancel the current buy limit order and add a new buy limit order at 21.88.9 and we're trading amount of 0.012 Google at the time. So Google is all set and ready to move. The next one we're trading is SPY, 500 small cap companies all in one. We got free sell take profits and our buy limit order exactly in the right spot. We can go to our trading views chart. You can see as well free take profits and our buy limit order So SPY hasn't moved and it's still in place. Finally, the last one we're trading before adding the new stock is Amazon. Looking at Amazon, on my Excel sheet, we should have 5 sell take profits and we only have 4. We can go to trading view and we can see our $112 sell take profit were triggered. We went beyond it. I'm going to update my Excel sheet. That one in place. We're going to update our chart. This is becoming our latest entry, which is $114. And our next buy limit will be at $108.80. All we're going to do, we're going to put our alerts in place. Take profit is going to be at $117.40. That one is in place. And our buy limit is at $108.80. Putting this in place as well. So on our trading view, everything is in place. On our trading side, we're just cancelling our current buy limit order and we're putting in a new one at $108.80. Our trading size are 0.231 Amazon every time. Now back to the stocks. Which one do you think got voted the most? Let's have a look. We're in a Telegram. I'm just gonna vote Coinbase. We'll deduct one vote for Coinbase so we can see which ones were voted. Looking at this, Apple has been voted the most, 32%. That's a massive amount of votes. My vote for Coinbase, just to get an indication, didn't even count. I'm one of 2 people who voted for Coinbase. Looking at Apple, 7 votes out of 21 votes. So the stock we'll be adding is Apple. Let's go down. Where's Apple? Here's Apple. We'll get Apple all set up and ready. And we'll start trading Apple as well. Our Apple chart is ready. I'm just gonna move away the background lines. I don't like them. There we go. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna enter Apple at market price to get us first entry and get it up and running. So we'll be trading 0.21 Apple on every single trade. Our trade is in 0.21 Apple. We're trading. Let's go down to order history just to get our entry price. So Apple were entered at $142 even. I'm gonna put my Excel sheet, update that. $142 were our first entry. 142. Get everything here in place. Get my chart updated to make my trading easy. So my Excel sheet is all set up. Let me just do this. My Excel sheet is ready. I know where my take profits are. So on our first trade, our take profit is going to be at $146.26. And the amount we're selling is 0.21. So our sell take profit is in place. Our buy limit order for our next trade will be at $136.33. So we all sorted. Apple is underway and ready to move. All we need to do we're going to our stocks charts. We'll put in FTX and we'll put in Apple USD, and Apple has been added. Now what we'll do is put in our lines to make sure we keep trend of where they are and what is needed. Our take profit line will be at 146.26. That's going to be our take profit. Our next buy limit order will be at 136.33. And our entry point was at 142. So our lines are in place. All we need to finally do is put in our alerts for Apple. 146, and our next alert will be for our buy limit order at 136.33. There we go. We're all updated and ready to move. Our Apple trade is opened and underway. Let the profits roll in. All my take profits are set at 3% profit on every single trade, and we're ready and moving. We're trading crypto the easy way through FTX. FTX, the exchange, trading crypto, trading stocks, tokenized stocks, it all made easy. Have a look at the FTX. They're creating a lot of different opportunities to make funds. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below. Let me know what do you think about trading Apple. Also, we'll keep on adding more stocks to our strategy. Which one is next? Well, time will tell. If you haven't yet, remember, smash that like and subscribe button and enjoy the tokenized stock gains. Take care.